day everyone! Welcome back to Math A YouTube channel. In this channel, we're going to discuss different topics in mathematics. Our lesson for today is linear equation in two variables and solution of linear equations in two variables. Linear equations in two variables are equations in the form ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are real numbers and at least one of a and b are not equal to 0. Ax plus by equals c is the standard form of an equation. Let us identify if the following are linear equations in two variables or not. Let's put a check if it is a linear equation in two variables and X if it is not a linear equation in two variables. Okay, first, we have 2a plus 4b is equal to 1. Okay, check. So this is a linear equations in two variables. The given equation has the variable a and variable b. Next, 5x squared minus 2y is equal to 3. Okay, so the answer is x since we have the variable that is raised to the second power. Take note that a linear equation is an equation with the highest degree of 1. Next, negative 3m plus n plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, check. So this is an example of linear equations in two variables. So the given variables are m and n. Next, 3y plus x plus 8z is equal to 6. So the answer is, okay, x because it is composed of three variables. So we are looking for linear equations with only two variables. Next, 4x minus x plus 2y is equal to 8. So check. Since if we're going to subtract this, 4x minus x, it is still equal to 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. So our variables are x and y. Last, 9a minus 0b is equal to negative 3. So the answer is x, since if we're going to multiply 0 times b, this would be equal to 0. So we only have here one variable, which is a. So this is not linear equations in two variables. Okay, so let us discuss the solution of linear equations in two variables. The solution of a linear equation in two variables is an ordered pair x, y that will satisfy the equation. So let us answer this question. Which of the following is a solution of the equation 3x minus y is equal to 5? Is it A, 1, 6, or B, 2, 1? So in order to find the solution of the equation, we have to substitute each values to the given equation. So let us try first the ordered pair 1, 6. Will it satisfy the equation 3x minus y is equal to 5? So let us try. 3 will be copied. X will be replaced by 1. And then copy the operation which is subtraction. Y will also be replaced by 6 equals 5. And then 3 times 1 equals 3. And then copy minus 6 is equal to 5. Next, 3 minus 6 would be equal to negative 3. And negative 3 is not equal to 5. Therefore, this ordered pair will give us a false statement. So, meaning 1, 6 is not a solution of the equation 3x minus y equals 5. Let us now try 2, 1. So, substitute 2 to the given value of x and then substitute 1 in our y. So copy 3, x will be replaced by 2, then copy the operation which is subtraction, y will be replaced by 1, copy equals 5. Next, 3 times 2 is equal to 6, copy minus 1 is equal to 5. Subtract, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. And 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, this ordered pair 2, 1 will give us a true statement in substituting the values of x and y. So therefore, the ordered pair 2, 1 is the solution of the linear equation 3x minus y is equal to 5. Another, which of the following is a solution of the equation 2x plus 5y equals negative 4? A, 3, 2, or B, 3, negative 2? So let us substitute first the ordered pairs 3, 2 in the given equation. Okay, so copy 2, x will be replaced by 3, copy plus, copy 5, and then y will be replaced by positive 2. And then copy equals negative 4. Next, 2 times 3 is equal to 6 plus 5 times 2 is equal to 10. And then copy equals negative 4. Next, 6 plus 10 is equal to 16. And 16 is not equal to negative 4. Therefore, this will give us a false statement. So 3, 2 is not a solution in the given equation 2x plus 5y equals negative 4. Let us try now this ordered pair 3, negative 2. So let us substitute to the equation 2x plus 5y is equal to negative 4 the values of x and y. Copy 2, x will be replaced by positive 3 plus copy 5, y will be replaced by negative 2 equals copy negative 4. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6 and 5 times negative 2 will be equal to negative 10. Copy equals negative 4. Next, 6 plus negative 10. So we have here different signs. So we're going to subtract. So we have negative 4. And negative 4 is equal to negative 4. So this ordered pair gave us a true statement. Therefore, the ordered pair 3, negative 2 is the solution of the linear equation 2x plus 5y is equal to negative 4. Given the value of x equals 2, what is the solution of the linear equation 5x minus 2y equals 2? Okay? If x is equal to 2, what is the value of y? So for our solution, let us have the linear equation in two variables, which is 5x minus 2y is equal to 2. And then x will be replaced by 2. So copy 5 and then substitute 2 as the value of x. And then copy minus 2y is equal to 2. So 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Copy minus 2y is equal to 2. Next, we're going to do transposition. So we have here now negative 2y is equal to 2 minus 10. In transposition, we're going to change the value of the given or the sign of the given number. Since this is positive and we transpose it, we're going to use negative sign now. Okay? Next, negative 2y is equal to 2 minus 10 is equal to negative 8. So we have to get the value of y. Therefore, we're going to divide both sides by negative 2. So that would be equal to negative 2y over negative 2 is equal to negative 8 over negative 2. So we're going to do the cancellation. So cancel negative 2 in the numerator and in the denominator. So the remaining term would be y equals negative 8 divided by negative 2. That would be equal to positive 4. Therefore, if x is equal to 2, the value of y is equal to 4. So the solution of the given equation 5x minus 2y is equal to 2 will be the ordered pair 2, positive 4. Another example, find two solutions for the linear equation 6x minus y is equal to 5. Then plot the solutions on a Cartesian plane. Okay, since we are looking for solutions of linear equations, we're going to assign values of x. Okay, since we are looking for two solutions only, so let us assign two numbers. For example, if x is equal to 1, what will be the value of y and our ordered pair or solution? So first, we have to substitute 1 as the value of x. So 6, copy, x will be replaced by positive 1, and then copy minus y equals 5. So 6 times 1 equals 6, minus y is equal to 5. Let's do the transposition. We have here negative y equals 5 minus 6. Next, negative y is equal to 5 minus 6 is equal to negative 1. And since we have here negative here, so we're going to divide both sides by negative 1. Since we divide negative 1, we're going to cancel now here the negative signs. Okay, so cancel these two. Therefore, our final answer is y equals 1. So therefore, if x is equal to 1, the value of y is equal to 1. And our ordered pair or solution in the given equation is positive 1, positive 1. So we are asked to plot the solutions in a Cartesian plane. So 1, 1 can be found in this quadrant. So from point of origin, one step going to right and one step upward. So this will be our point. Okay, so another solution, we are looking for the second solution of the equation 6x minus y is equal to 5. So let us assign another value of x. Suppose x is equal to 2. So again, substitute 2 in the variable x. So copy natin yung 6. And then x will be replaced by 2 minus y equals 5. So this still came from the original equation, which is 6x minus y is equal to 5. So 6 times 2, we have 12. And then copy minus y equals 5. Transpose 12. So we have here negative y equals 5 minus 12. Next, copy negative y equals 5 minus 12 is equal to negative 7. Since we have here negative sign beside y, we have to divide both sides by negative 1. And then, cancel negative 1. And the negative 7 over negative 1 will be equal to positive 7. So our answer is y is equal to 7. So it means that if x is equal to 2, the value of y is equal to 7. And our solution is 2, 7. So let us plot this ordered pair in a Cartesian plane. So 2, positive 7. So 2 from point of origin going to right, and then 7 from point of origin upward. So therefore, our point is this one. So this is 2, positive 7. Okay, so that ends our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. I'm Teacher Grace. See you again next time. Please like and subscribe. Bye!